Using QuickBooks for a construction business can help streamline financial management and improve profitability. To get started, set up your company file by selecting the construction industry template and answering a few questions about your business. This will help customize your QuickBooks experience and ensure you have the right features and accounts for your construction company. Next, create a chart of accounts that includes categories specific to the construction industry such as job costs, labor costs, and equipment expenses. This will help you track expenses and revenues for each job and make it easier to manage your financials. You should also set up your vendors and customers, including contractors, subcontractors, and clients, to help you track payments and invoices. To track job costs, create a new job in QuickBooks and assign expenses to it as they are incurred. This can include labor costs, materials, and equipment expenses. You can also track progress invoices and payments from clients to ensure you are getting paid for your work. Use the job costing feature to compare estimated costs to actual costs and make adjustments as needed. In addition to tracking job costs, you should also use QuickBooks to manage your accounts payable and accounts receivable. This includes tracking invoices and payments from clients, as well as payments to vendors and subcontractors. Use the invoicing feature to create professional-looking invoices and send them to clients electronically. To get the most out of QuickBooks, it is also important to use the reporting features to gain insights into your business. Use the job profitability report to see which jobs are most profitable and which ones are losing money. Use the accounts receivable report to see which clients owe you money and follow up with them to get paid. By following these steps and using QuickBooks to its full potential, you can improve the financial management of your construction business and increase profitability.